Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates.
Hey everyone, this is Anuj Vora here, and in today's video I am going to discuss a very interesting topic. The topic is what happens when people are so much optimistic in the stock market. So when Nykaa launched its IPO, you may know that it was valued more than Britannia, IRCTC and many other blue chip giant companies. So how does it happen? Do you even know about the financials of Nykaa? Do you even know about the revenue of Nykaa and also things? Majority of the time people have no idea about the finances of the company. People were optimistic about the IPO because they know that they believed that internet companies will grow in India, and that was the reason that people have started investing heavily on Nykaa, but eventually it fell down and people have lost a lot of money. So here what you need to understand is Nykaa made a profit of nearly 3 to 4 crore in one quarter, and it was valued more than, let's say here we are taking for example Britannia. Now Britannia's profit was quarterly at nearly 300 to 400 crore. Now compare the two companies. Which company is fundamentally sound? Obviously Britannia, right? In the worst case situation, Nykaa may go down to 0 rupee per share. On the other hand, if we talk about Britannia, Britannia will be stable. The company may survive in the worst case situation. Why? Because the company is profitable. The company has a lot cash reserved. On the other hand, we have seen Nykaa may fall down, and it has happened in the US .com bubble. Do some research regarding US .com bubble. You will find that thousands of companies, the share price of thousands of companies went down to 0.12 to only $1, and it was traded at nearly $100, $200 also. So in these IPOs season, what you need to understand is do check the fundamental of the company. Also make sure that the company should not be overpriced. If people are so much optimistic, that doesn't mean that you also need to invest. You also need to book profit. It's not like that. Suddenly geopolitical situation or FII start selling, you may lose a lot of money. So before investing in IPOs, I would suggest you to focus on at least 3 to 4 years of financials. If they are profitable, the company is profitable, then you are good to go. But also make sure that you are not focused too much on internet based companies as of now. Just let the company becomes profitable and then think about it. If the company is totally dependent on investors' money, then you need to be really careful. Look, the IPOs will come, a lot of companies will come, but also you all need to understand that it doesn't make sense to invest based on the trend. If the trend is going on the positive direction, that doesn't mean you also need to invest. It does not make sense to book profit for the short term, because in the long run, if the company failed to make profit, the share price can go down drastically, and in that particular situation you will have no time to sell your investment, and eventually you will lose 70-80% of your invested money. So this is what all you need to understand, that focus on the financials. It's not like focusing on revenue only. Profit is essential for investing. If you want to go with trend based investing, what people have been doing these days, then you should definitely go with this trend, like investing in IPOs, buying and selling, applying in IPOs and also things. But I generally don't recommend, because there are chances of losing money. People have started realizing that IPOs are just like a lottery ticket. If you get IPO, and you can make 2 to 3,000 rupees with one application if you get the IPO. But I generally don't apply, and you should also do the same if you want stability, if you want to invest in fundamentally sound companies. So that's it for this video. If you need help regarding investment, feel free to check out the link in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.